image sprites. Image sprites. Okay, so image sprite is a collection of images put into a single image. Image sprite is a collection of images put into a single image. Okay, single image. Okay, so by using image sprites, okay, so images can take a long time to load. Okay, to reduce the burden on server. Okay, to reduce the burden on server and number of server requests. Okay, we can reduce the number of server requests by using image sprites. Okay, using image sprites, using this we can reduce the number of server requests, number of server requests. Okay, server requests, and reduce the burden on server. Reduce the burden on server. Okay, so burden on server. Okay, so using image sprites we can create navigation list for social networks. Okay, for social networks or any icons. Okay, so using image sprites we can display icons, okay, wherever you want. Okay, so we can place all icons in one single image, and we can display that icons wherever you want in the web page. Okay, so we want to uh, use the image sprite. Okay, image sprite image to create image sprite example. Okay, so for example, so I have explained this image sprite example in previous class. Okay, so in previous, okay, social circuit. Okay, actually, okay, so this is the image. Okay, image sprite. Okay, all these icons in single image. Okay, so image sprite is a collection of images put into a single image. Okay, so that this is image sprite image. Okay, you can find these images in Google. Social icons. Okay, so you can find number of image sprites. Okay, so you can download any one of these things and you can do one example on image sprites. So for example, so we can create one example on image sprites. Okay, so I have downloaded this image. Create one HTML form, image sprites. Okay, so HTML form is created, and we can copy this image. Okay, you can copy this image into our project folder. Okay, CSS. Okay, and now refresh this folder here. Okay, social circle.png. Okay, so now image sprite. Okay, so we can create the navigation for navigation by using image sprites. Okay, HTML code. So here we have social networks, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Okay, so for our website, like go to Cybersys. Okay, you can see the social networks here. Okay, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google. Okay, so for follow up, so if you want to display like social images in our website, so you have to create the another list, and with your social networks names. Okay, another list, and here class equal to menu. We have to create this class name and list items: Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Okay, so LA tag with the anchor tag is there. Okay, so when you click on this link, it will redirect to the Facebook. Okay, in LA tag we have anchor tag. In that anchor tag, div tag is there. For this div tag, okay, Facebook and YouTube and LinkedIn. So we have to create this class, okay, classes to apply the social circle.png. Okay, so first run this example. Okay, so this is the list items. Okay, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So style tag, style tag. So menu class first. Okay, menu class. List style type none. Okay, list style type none. So now refresh this. Okay, so there is no list style type. Next dot menu li. Okay, dot menu li, menu class. Okay, in menu class we have list items. Okay, li tag. In that menu class we have list items. For the list items, padding 5 pixels. Okay, padding 5 pixels, and the font size 16 pixels, and the font family are okay. So font family you can use, or you can leave that. Next, so first run this example. Okay, so Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn, and we upload the padding for list items. And next class is menu and LA. In LA tag we have anchor tag. Okay, in anchor tag we have div tag. For this div tag, okay, height 50 pixels. Okay, div height 50 pixels, and line height 50 pixels. Line height also 50 pixels, and display inline block. Okay, next padding, um, padding left, padding left 50 pixels. Next text color, Okay, so text color. Next, div width. 0 pixels. Next, div background. Okay, now we have to use background image. Okay, or directly we can use background URL social circle dot png. Social circle circle.png and now repeat. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, so image is uploaded here. Okay, we have to change the height and width. Okay, 52 pixels. And the next padding left. Hmm. You can use this code. Okay, menu li anchor tag div height 54 pixels, width 0 pixels, and height 54, height 54, and line height 50 pixels, and padding depth 60 pixels. Okay, so this is the properties for this class. next next class is, and after that, okay, after this we have to arrange the image for the particular Facebook and YouTube and LinkedIn. Dot menu class we have LA tag. In that LA tag, anchor tag and div tag with Facebook class. Okay, Facebook. Okay, div tag with the Facebook class, and the background position 0 pixels. Okay, so now refresh this. Okay, minus 40 pixels and minus 30 pixels. 28 pixels. Position. Okay, so 46 pixels and 28 pixels minus. Okay, for Facebook. Okay, so next for YouTube. Okay, so we have to create another class name li div tag with okay, YouTube, and background position for YouTube. Okay, so see, observe here, image is moving. Okay, so we have this. Okay, YouTube image. Next, same. What is here? Minus 28 pixels. Minus 28 pixels. Okay, so minus 28. Okay, minus 350 and minus 28. And next, LinkedIn. So class name is LinkedIn. Okay, so this is Twitter. Okay, so LinkedIn. Okay, minus 168, 166. 166. Okay, so this is the, so like this we can display Facebook social links. Adding 5 pixels. Fifty-four, 50 line block. Okay, line height 50 pixels, not 15. Okay, so like this you can display the social networks in our websites. And also we can display like images. Okay, so for hover styles. Okay, for hover styles, okay, you can change the like animation. Facebook hover style, Facebook hover. mm, okay, 96 pixels. And YouTube hover, this also same. Like minus 96. Okay, 96. 96. Okay, for LinkedIn over same minus 96. Okay, so now refresh this. Okay, you can change the okay uh, animation like this. Okay, hover styles. Okay, so actual image is this. Okay, so first we are displaying version images, and when your mouse hover on that particular link, it will change the image styles. Okay, okay, so this is the image sprite example. Okay, so you should practice this example, and after that navigations. Okay, navigation bars. Navigation bars. Okay, so navigation bars are very important for any application. Okay, so if you want to redirect from one page to another page within website, or you want to redirect from one website to another website, compulsory we need navigations. Okay, so navigations are very important for any application, and these are easy to use in to implement in our websites. So we have two types of navigations. First one, vertical navigations. Vertical navigations, and second one is horizontal navigations. Okay, so these are the two types of navigations. Okay, so first of all, we can implement horizontal navigation bar. So create one HTML form. Horizontal navigation. Okay, so now for example, you can CyberSys. Okay, so we implemented this CyberSys website, and home menu, company and solutions, services, products, industries, insights, and contact us. Okay, so if you go any application, navigation bar is very important for any application. Okay, in GoToMeeting also same. Okay, my meetings and settings, and here, so this is also one type of menu. Okay, one type of navigation. So if you want to redirect from one page to another page, okay, you want to go to contact form, you can click on this link and it will go to contact us form. Okay, locations. Okay, you can redirect like this. Okay, so for every application we need the navigations. Okay, either horizontal or vertical navigations. Use another list and li tag, anchor tag, and href equal to, and next home menu and li href, mm, href and products and li. Okay, hash is the empty path, products, services, and li. Contactors. Okay, so in our website, in our sample example, you have this menu. Okay, home, products, services, and contactors. So you want to implement the horizontal navigations. Okay, horizontal navigation means, I will show you. Okay, so this is horizontal navigation. Okay, home, news, and this is sub menus. Okay, link 1, link 2, link 3 is the sub menus in drop down menu. Okay, you want to implement like this, write some CSS properties, style, first of all el tag, list style type, none. Next margin 0, and padding also 0. Okay, and the next li tag. For li tag, float left, and the next in li tag we have anchor tags, and one more class we have to create, uh, drop button. Okay, drop button for drop down list. Okay, so for sub menus, display, inline block, and color, text color white. Okay, text align, center. Next padding, top 14 pixels, and right 16 pixels, Next, text decoration. Text decoration none. Okay, so run this example first. Okay, so this image menus are displaying like this. Okay, text color is white, so that text is not displaying. For submenus, LI class, for LI class drop down class equal to drop down product A div tag with class name is, okay, we have to create this class name drop down content, and drop down content, and in this we have submenus href, this is empty path, and submenu 1, submenu 2. For LA drop down class, and next for A drop btn class equal to drop btn class. Okay, drop btn class already created here, and next classes is li tag over styles. Okay, so these classes nothing but pseudo classes. Okay, so you can find this concept in Google, pseudo classes. So there is a number of classes is there, okay, for pseudos. Okay, hover, in rank, okay, increment, last, link. Okay, number of hover classes is there. Okay, pseudo classes. Okay, this is hover style. Next class is drop down. For drop down also hover. Next drop btn. Okay, drop btn class. Next background color red color, and next class is li dot drop down, li drop down display inline block, and the next class is drop down content, drop down content display none. Okay, first of all display none, and the position absolute, Next, background color. Background color. Okay, for submenus, background color. Okay, and next, minimum width. Minimum width 160 pixels. Next, box shadow. Okay, box, it will show the shadow for the drop down menu. 0 pixels and 8 pixels. Next, 16 pixels and 0 pixels. And next class is drop down content a tag. In drop down content we have this a tag. Okay, submenus. For this, color, black color. Next, padding 12 pixels. The padding 12 pixels and top 12 pixels and right 16 pixels. Next, text decoration, none. And display block, display block, and text align, text align left. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, so these are displaying like this. And the next one is drop down over and drop down content. Display block. Okay, so these are the submenus. Background. Background color red. Drop median. Okay, see here we have to insert background color for li tag. And the products, drop btn background color, drop btn hover style. Okay, so this is the horizontal menu. Okay, so for sub menus, shadow displaying. Okay, background shadow is applied, okay, by using box shadow property. Okay, shadow for the sub menus. So okay, this is our sample example, the sample website menu. So like this you have to uh, implement the menus. Okay, this is horizontal menu, and I will show the vertical navigation bar. Okay, so this is the vertical navigation bar. Okay, home products about to contact us. Okay, so for products, these are the sub menus. Okay, product 1 and product 2 sub menus. In product 1 also have two sub menus, and product 2 also two sub menus. Okay, multi-level sub menu. So this is vertical navigation bar, and this is horizontal navigation bar. Okay, so your task is vertical navigation bar. Okay, horizontal navigation bar completed, and vertical navigation bar is your task. Okay, to implement the vertical navigation bars, we have to write these css properties. Okay, so we have a number of css properties. Okay, so that's why I'm showing the example. Okay, so this is our task. Okay, you can search in Google for the vertical navigation bars. And next one. Horizontal navigation bar, vertical navigation bar. And the next one is shadows. Okay, shadows. Okay, so we have box shadow and text shadow properties. Okay, box shadow and text shadow. Okay, two css properties, box shadow and text shadow. Okay, box shadow is used to uh, box shadow property applies shadow to the elements uh, box shadow property, uh, box shadow property applies shadows 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 to the HTML elements. HTML elements. Okay, and the text shadow property, text shadow, text shadow, shadow property applies shadow to the text, shadow to the text. Okay, so to apply the background box shadows for the HTML elements, use box shadow property. To apply the shadow for the text content, use text shadow property. Okay, two properties. So create an example. Shadows. Take one div tag, and this div tag contains some information. Okay, and the next style div tag. Okay, element selector, background color, and text color, height 300 pixels, and width 300 pixels. Pixel, and the margin also 10 pixels, and the text shadow, um, like 1 pixels, 1 pixel, and 2 pixels, and a black shadow, a black color shadow, and a box shadow, 10 pixel, and 10 pixel, and a gray color border shadow, shadow color. So run this example. Okay, shadow is uploaded for div tag, and for text, okay, shadow is uploaded for the text also. 2 pixel, solid, okay. So text shadow and a box shadow is applied. Text shadow red color, box shadow red color, and for text shadow, comma, 25 pixels, blue, 5 pixels, and dark blue. Okay, so text shadow is displayed like this. For box shadow also same. Okay, so it will apply like this: shadow, text shadow and box shadow. Okay, so this is the shadows, text shadow and box shadow. And the next one is pagination. Okay, pagination in CSS. Pagination. So pagination nothing but go to Google. Okay, you can search for anything like okay, image file for social icons. Okay, so here number of results. Okay, so it will show the pagination here for Google search box. Okay, so for the number of results, okay, it will uh, showing the 10 results for every page. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 then 9 9 or 10 results showing for every page. Okay, to second page also same: 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 records is displaying. Okay, for page 3 also 10 records displaying. Okay, if you have number of records, okay, it will convert to the page nations. So to upload like this, okay, page nation, use another list, li tag, href empty 1. Okay, so first of all, previous buttons, 1 2. Next button, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So run this example. Okay, so the result is displaying like this. You want to display the page nation like this. Okay, previous link, next link and numbers. Style tag and class is page nation. Page nation class, display inline block and padding 0 and margin 0. Okay, so now run this. Okay, so there is no changes. Okay, we have to apply class name page nation. Okay, so this page nation is displaying like this. and remaining classes, in pagination class we have li tag. Okay, display inline. So now on this. Okay, so these numbers are displaying side by side. And the next one is pagination. In pagination we have li tag and a. Okay, anchor tag. Text color black and float left, padding 8 pixel and 16 pixels, and the text decoration none. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, so this is displaying like this. Okay, pagination. And for the hover styles, dot pagination and li tag and a tag. For a tag, hover styles. Okay, background color, background color, okay, black color, and text color white color. Okay, so it will display like this: background color black and text color white. Okay, so this is the pagination example.